welcome everybody. We're at the Maple Lounge here at Engage 2018 in Rotterdam, and today I have with me Paul Harrison. Paul built the mobile app for Engage, and we just want to have a quick conversation about the experience of doing that. So we were just chatting, and you were telling me that not only have you built the mobile app for Engage, but for some other user groups as well. So
yes. So we also support the Swiss Notes user group and Icon UK as well. So essentially it's the same application, slightly rebranded. All the branding is software controlled as well. So the only thing that really changes is the data and the theming.
Cool. And so what were the tools that you used to build the app?
So the app itself is actually an Angular application written using Ionic framework. So that's all built as a web application that then builds into a Cordova application, which you can then push out to the app stores and get published.
And how many years have you been doing this?
For Engage, 5 years.
5 years?
In total. This is the native app, which has only been used for 3 years. Prior to that, it was a HTML5 web application.
Right. I remember talking to you about, I think it was the Icon UK app several years ago.
Which was about 6 years ago.
Yeah. And the back-end data is coming out of Domino?
Yes. The original data comes from Domino, and I access that using X agents so that I can transform the data as I pull it out. Plus, Theo keeps all these data in his own custom database. We use views. My X agents access the view data, so they don't actually access the documents directly. That information is then pulled out of Domino via a sync agent, which runs on a server, into MongoDB, which is hosted in the cloud.
And you were just saying that you had to update the application to run on the new iPhone 10?
Yes, so that was somewhat of a challenge. Unfortunately, I'm using a slightly older version of Ionic framework. It supports iPhone X or iPhone 10, but I needed to upgrade it. Went through the process, eventually it worked. It took me about 2 weeks to get it working in its current form.
I've heard some feedback from folks that they were really happy to see how it was working.
Everyone was very pleased with it.
Yeah.
So, I'm very pleased with the response that we've had.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, thank you for taking the time to talk to us.
Very welcome. Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you.